Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm back with another great yet an easy recipe. I will be making fudge brownies today. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will be starting by adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a bowl and mix it well. In a separate bowl, add 2 eggs, and beat it on high speed for 2 minutes. Add half cup of castor sugar, half cup of brown sugar and beat it again on high speed for 2 minutes. Add 200 grams of melted butter and keep beating on high speed until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add the dry ingredients. Using the cut and fold method, mix everything until it is well combined. Grease a baking dish or a pan with oil or butter. Pour the batter into the dish. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, cut the brownies into square pieces of your desired size. and the brownies are ready to serve. You can enjoy them as it is, or you can also enjoy it with some vanilla ice cream. Do try this recipe out and let me know of what you think about it in the comment section below. Please like this video and share it with your families and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.